Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of making money on your own terms? What if I told you that you can start earning online without any expensive equipment? Sounds exciting, right? After we dive into the top 3 methods, we'll discuss some of the pitfalls in detail. Now let's set the stage by discussing the importance of realistic expectations when it comes to making money online. Setting realistic expectations is crucial when embarking on your journey to make money online. It's easy to get swept up in the allure of quick riches and overnight success stories. But the truth is that building a sustainable income online takes time, effort, and dedication. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight, and anyone who promises you otherwise is likely trying to sell you something. Think of it like planting a seed and watching it grow. Just as a plant needs time, sunlight, and water to flourish, your online income will require nurturing and patience. It's a gradual process of learning, experimenting, and adapting to find what works best for you. By setting realistic goals and understanding that success won't happen overnight, you'll be better prepared to overcome challenges and stay motivated on your path to financial freedom. One of the most accessible ways to start making money online is by freelancing digital content for creators. In today's digital age, content is king, and creators are constantly in need of high-quality graphics, videos, and other digital assets to enhance their online presence. Whether it's designing eye-catching thumbnails for YouTube videos or creating engaging video clips, there's a growing demand for skilled freelancers who can deliver professional results. To get started, you don't need to invest in expensive equipment or software. Many free or affordable tools are available online that can help you hone your skills and produce top-notch content. Platforms like Canva for graphic design or DaVinci Resolve for video editing offer user-friendly interfaces and extensive tutorials to help beginners get up to speed quickly. As you gain experience and build a portfolio, you can start to command higher rates and attract more clients. The key to success in freelancing is delivering quality work on time and building strong relationships with your clients. With determination and a willingness to learn, freelancing digital content for creators can be a lucrative and fulfilling way to earn money online. Another promising avenue for making money online is video editing. With the explosive growth of video content across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, there's an increasing demand for skilled video editors who can transform raw footage into polished, engaging videos. If you have an eye for detail and a knack for storytelling, video editing can be a rewarding and profitable skill to master. While video editing may seem daunting at first, especially if you're new to it, there are plenty of resources available to help you learn the ropes. From online tutorials and courses to community forums and software-specific guides, you can find a wealth of information to help you improve your editing skills and stay updated on the latest trends and techniques. When it comes to pricing your services, it's essential to consider factors like your level of expertise, the complexity of the project, and the market rates. Starting with competitive pricing can help you attract your first clients and build a portfolio. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your rates and take on more challenging projects, paving the way for a rewarding career in video editing. To get an idea of the prices you can charge for your video editing services, browse through online gig platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Take note of what other video editors are charging for similar services. This can help you set competitive rates and attract clients effectively. Short-form content creation on platforms like Instagram and TikTok has become a game changer in the digital landscape, offering a fun and creative way to make money online. These platforms thrive on bite-sized, engaging content that resonates with audiences and encourages sharing and interaction. Whether it's a funny skit, a quick tutorial, or a visually stunning clip, there's endless potential to showcase your creativity and build a loyal following. The beauty of creating short-form content is that you don't need fancy equipment or extensive editing skills to get started. Many successful creators have built their following using just their smartphones and a dash of creativity. Leveraging popular trends, using catchy music, and engaging with your audience will allow you to quickly gain traction and grow your presence on these platforms. Once you've established a following, monetizing your content becomes the next exciting step. From sponsored posts and brand partnerships to affiliate marketing and selling digital products, there are numerous ways to turn your creativity into a steady income stream. The key is to stay authentic, consistently produce high-quality content, and engage with your audience to keep them coming back for more. The power of content creation cannot be overstated when it comes to making money online. In today's digital age, content is more than just entertainment. It's a valuable asset that can help you build a brand, establish authority in your niche, and generate multiple streams of income. Whether you're a talented writer, a skilled videographer, or a creative photographer, there's an audience out there hungry for the unique insights, stories, and perspectives only you can provide. Content creation offers unparalleled flexibility and scalability, allowing you to reach a global audience from the comfort of your own home. As your following grows, so does your potential to monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and more. The key to success lies in finding your voice, staying consistent, and always delivering value to your audience. With dedication and creativity, content creation can open doors to endless opportunities and pave the way to financial freedom. Choosing the right method for you is a crucial step in your journey to make money online. With so many options available, from freelancing and video editing to content creation, it's important to consider your interests, skills, and resources before diving in. Ask yourself what you enjoy doing and where your strengths lie. Are you a creative soul who loves crafting engaging content? Or perhaps you have a knack for technical tasks like video editing or graphic design? Consider the time and effort you can realistically commit to your chosen method. Some avenues, like short-form content creation on Instagram and TikTok, may require frequent updates and consistent engagement, while others, like freelancing, offer more flexibility in terms of work hours and project timelines. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore different methods to find what resonates with you. It's okay to start small and gradually expand your horizons as you gain experience and confidence. The key to success is finding a method that aligns with your passions and strengths, allowing you to enjoy the journey as you work towards your financial goals. Avoiding common mistakes can make a significant difference in your success when trying to make money online. One of the most common pitfalls is falling for get-rich-quick schemes that promise overnight success with little to no effort. Genuine opportunities require time, effort, and dedication to yield meaningful results. Another mistake to avoid is neglecting to research and understand the platforms and tools you're using. Whether it's a freelancing website, a video editing software, or a social media platform, taking the time to learn the ins and outs can save you a lot of frustration and help you produce higher quality work. Don't underestimate the importance of building and maintaining a positive online reputation. Delivering subpar work, missing deadlines, or engaging in unethical practices can harm your credibility and make it difficult to attract and retain clients. Avoid spreading yourself too thin by trying to juggle multiple methods or projects without proper planning and organization. Focus on mastering one method at a time before branching out to ensure you deliver your best work consistently. Here are some bonus tips to help you maximize your success in making money online. First, invest in continuous learning. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, so staying updated with the latest trends, tools, and techniques can give you a competitive edge. Second, network with like-minded individuals. Building relationships with other freelancers, content creators, and industry professionals can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. To truly unlock your full potential, learning from a mentor is essential. A mentor will help you navigate challenges, seize opportunities, and achieve your financial goals more effectively. In our next video, we'll explore the importance of mentorship and how it can accelerate your journey to financial success. Don't miss out.